Hello folks, this is going to be a very brief lecture on Lambda Cloud9. So Cloud9 is basically a IDE which is available to you on the browser. So you can actually debug your code using Cloud9. So let's see how it works. So the first thing you need to do is you need to go to your Cloud9 service. So you need to create an environment first. So the environment is basically a EC2 machine that is created, and it is on this particular EC2 machine that your code gets debugged or built or run. So to click on create environment, you can just give a random name. You can just click on next. So here you can either create a new EC2 instance or use an already existing one. So I will create a new instance and I'll choose the T2 micro because if you have free tier eligibility, then you don't have to pay for this service. Uh, I will go with Linux too. And in case you want auto saving, then basically after 30 minutes, this particular service will hibernate, so you don't have to pay. And you can just click on next step. Just verify everything and just click on create environment. So once you open your AWS Cloud9, your screen will look something like this. So what you need to do is you need to import your Lambdas into your Cloud9. So to do that, you can just click on AWS. And what I'll do is I'll import this hello world function into this Cloud9 environment. So to do that, I will import it to this particular environment. So once it has been imported, you can just go to your environment and you can see that it has been imported to your local. So the first thing I'll do is I will run this in this particular local environment. So to do that, I'll just click on this particular environment and I'll click on run. So it'll create a local SAM environment. And the other good thing is you can actually have a debugger here. So I had earlier invoked a debugger. So you can actually debug your code quite easily using Cloud9. So let me just click on this and you can see that it has actually passed with this particular function output. So what I will do is I will add some extra text. I will save it and I will import it back into my Lambda. So once I have made this change, you can go back to AWS, click on that same hello world function, right click and just do an upload Lambda. So you need to upload it from your directory. So you can just click on this path of your local hello world, click on open. And so basically when I had uploaded it, I had uploaded it as a zip. So I would want to upload it again as a zip. So I'll just click on no here. If you had used your SAM environment, then you would have clicked on yes. But since I haven't done that, I'll just click on no. So this will push your code back into your Lambda. So I'll click on yes. So it has been uploaded back into my Lambda function. So if you go back to your Lambda, so if you click on test again, so you'll see that this particular new line, this new word has been added. So that is how you would import your function back into your Lambda. Cloud9 has many other functionalities which I will discuss later. So this is basically the simplest function that you can use. I hope this was a useful lecture and please subscribe to my channel.